Hello everyone, and welcome back to CoinZF, your ultimate destination for everything related to coins. I've got a special one for you today, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Today, we'll be diving deep into a coin that is much more than what meets the eye. The 1968 Pfennig coin from Germany, now valued at a staggering $54,371 million. Yes, you heard that right. So buckle up and let's dive in. First, let's talk about where this coin came from. The Pfennig coin was part of the German Deutsche Mark currency system, which was used in West Germany from 1948 until the introduction of the euro in 2002. The 1968 Pfennig coin specifically was minted at a time when Germany's economy was undergoing massive changes post-World War II, making it a key part of Germany's rebuilding efforts. Pfennig coins were a vital part of everyday life for the German people during the post-war period. However, while the Pfennig coin itself wasn't particularly rare back then, today we're going to uncover the real reason why this specific 1968 coin is now worth a jaw-dropping $54,371 million. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. The 1968 Pfennig coin features a simple yet powerful image of the German oak, symbolizing strength and the rich cultural heritage of Germany. The year 1968 is prominently stamped on the coin, and it was produced in large numbers, making it widely circulated at the time. The reverse side shows the German eagle, a symbol of the nation's pride and unity that on the surface, it seems like just another coin from the 60s, right? So, how in the world did it become worth over $54 billion? Well, there's a fascinating twist to this story that we'll reveal soon. Let's keep going. The story of this coin's extraordinary value begins with a very specific series of events. You see, in 1968, the German mint accidentally produced a very small number of these coins with a misprint. In fact, only a handful of these coins made it into circulation. Why is this so important? Because in the world of numismatics, a misprint or error on a coin can make it incredibly valuable. In the case of this Pfennig coin, the mistake involved a slight alteration in the engraving, resulting in a variation that was never meant to be released to the public. These error coins are incredibly rare, and because only a few were distributed, their value skyrocketed over the years. And that, my friends, is why one of these coins recently sold for $54,371 million at a private auction. Now let's take a closer look at how this coin came to fetch such an astronomical price. Back in 2023, a rare example of the 1968 Pfennig coin with this error went up for auction. The bidding started slowly, but as word spread about the coin's rarity, bids quickly skyrocketed. After hours of intense bidding between collectors and investors, the hammer came down, and the final bid came in at $54,371 million. Setting a new record for any coin of this type. Imagine the shock when that final bid was made. A coin that was once worth just a few cents now holds the value of a small nation's GDP. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly makes a coin like this one worth so much? Well, the value of a coin in the numismatic world depends on several factors: rarity, condition, historical significance, and of course, demand. The 1968 Pfennig error coin has all these elements. It's rare because there are so few of them in existence. It's in excellent condition, and collectors and investors are willing to pay a premium for such a unique piece of history. But here's the thing, this is not just a story about money. It's about how a small mistake, a little error in production, can create a collector's dream. And sometimes, the rarest of finds can end up being worth more than anyone could ever imagine. That if you're lucky enough to find one of these error coins in your collection, how do you know it's the real deal? Well, there are some telltale signs. First, the engraving on the coin will appear slightly misaligned. You'll notice a difference in the spacing of the numbers, and the edges may have a slightly uneven pattern that if you think you have one of these coins, it's crucial to have it verified by a professional coin appraiser or numismatic expert. Don't just take it to your local coin shop. Go for a certified expert to get an accurate value assessment. So, what does the future hold for coins like this? The world of numismatics is always evolving. And as more people get involved in coin collecting and investing, the demand for rare and unique coins continues to grow. Coins like the 1968 Pfennig are no longer just historical artifacts. They're now valuable assets, part of a larger economic market. Who knows? The next big coin find could be sitting right in your collection right now. Well, there you have it, folks. The incredible story behind the 1968 Pfennig coin and its astronomical value of $54,371 million. I hope this video has given you a new perspective on the world of coin collecting and the hidden treasures that can be found. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a coin-related adventure here at CoinZF.